welcome to Bro Blenier. So this is RP here. We are recording video on 14th May 2023. So Nifty is still heading higher and higher, right? So we'll discuss what will be its move next week. We are discussing first price and action indicators, then we'll check the Elliott Wave. So with the price action indicators, you clearly see here it's still bullish. It's respecting this trend line. It's trading above this 13 EMA blue line. All the long-term moving averages, 48 EMA, 100 EMA, and 200 EMA, well below this price. So this indicates clear bullish trend. Aron indicators shows the same. The strength is still there with the bulls. And RSI has again come to 70 plus. It cooled down a little. We expected Nifty to first dip last week in a last week's analysis and then go higher. But yeah, our analysis was based on this chart, right? On Monday, we were expecting it to pull back towards 180 to 200 levels, and then drop on the downside, creating ABC pullback. We expected a fifth wave to ended here, right? We expected fifth wave to end here, but that didn't happen. It broke this invalidation level, right? So this invalidation level was broken. So Nifty is still clearly in uptrend. That's what we can assume here. We should not carry though the positional, like we should not carry the shorts until it breaks this trend line conveniently. It is slightly going above, like RSI is slightly going above 70 now. If it forms divergence again, that is our signal of further weakness. As of now, it's not seen. So we should stay bullish and we should look out for this trend line. On the upside, there is no good resistance. So yeah, so somewhere here, what is this level? 18,460 something, right? So here only we have a resistance next, right? So this is the next resistance. So I'll move this here, okay? And we'll watch out for price action near this. We should not conclude until this trend line is broken because this is a clear bullish uptrend, or you could say a 5-wave impulse in terms of Elliott Wave. All the indicators are still indicating bullish trend. So that's all on the price action indicators front. Let's check the Elliott Wave. So this is the Elliott Wave chart that I see. It can be 1, 2, then 3, 4, and 5th is currently in progress. Once 5th completes, we will have 3 waves down. Okay, so we will have 3 waves down. I'm not expecting now it to break this level because this is clearly a 5-wave uptrend. If it breaks this, then our entire pattern will again change, right? I don't want to confuse you right now with the patterns, but right now what we have to assume here is this is clear 5-wave impulse, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is no confusion here that this is not an impulse, right? So this is clearly impulse. We should look for the 5th wave top somewhere near 18,588. That's what I'm considering. This wave third has extended quite aggressively. So if someone is labeling this as wave 1 and 2, I think it will go wrong because this is 1, 2, then immediately it would have formed 1, 2 like this, and then 3, 4, 5, it can go higher like that. But that didn't happen. This third wave is quite aggressively extended, right? So that's why I'm labeling this here as a third wave. And then the 5th wave is in progress. So it has crossed easily 18,001, 18,200, right? This level, it has crossed easily. So the next level is 18,588. So the assumption now here is this is wave 1, 2, then internally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 completed here. So this is third wave and 4th wave completed here. Now we see a pattern of 3 waves, 1, 2, 3, right? Then 1, 2, right? 1, 2, 3, like this. Like this, it can move up to 18,588. So 18,460 to 580 is the zone that we need to look out for. If there some pattern like bearish engulfing, evening star, or hammer, inverted hammer, you could say, or shooting star, sorry, not inverted hammer, shooting star get forms near that, somewhere near this, then we should be aware. So at least we see couple of moves pending here, ABC like that. It can move in a small range. It's already coming on the lower end of the channel, so it's respecting this channel, right? So this is the channel that we plot. It is respecting that channel, but it is not able to cross like since past couple of sessions it is not able to cross this trend line properly. So we have to watch out that. So this area is just for intraday. That's what I'm considering now. Any moves that are going up need to be looked for intraday gains only. We should not carry the positions in advance for the fall, because that will punish you badly. Options will decay because the price will go slowly up, like ABC, right? ABC, then ABC, like that. So this is how it can move. Every 0.6 Fibonacci we need to watch out for clearly, and then we need to look for an up move. Okay, so here we clearly see a three-wave move, right? A, B, and C, right? Then A, B, and C. So similarly, A, B, and C, like that. A, B, and C. Okay, A, B, and C. So these are the legs that are pending. It will take some time now. So in next session we can watch out this Fibonacci. Okay, so in next session we have to watch for 18,248. If it opens small gap down, then 50 points dip it can give, and it can again start the up move here from here. So this will be A wave, this will be B wave, and again it will go for C wave. So C wave also will not be very big, so it will be smaller wave. So we just have to look for target. Sorry, I plotted at wrong place. So up to 18,512 it can, sorry, 520 it can go. Not even that, it will just cross 18,400 and then may face a rejection from there. Okay, so it may not go too much above 0.6 Fibonacci. That's what I'm assuming. So like this it can move. Okay, and then again it can face rejection as ABC. So wherever it makes this top, we have to again plot 0.6 Fibonacci. Okay, so if it makes top here, let's say I'll make a 0.6 Fibonacci and assume that it will again drop towards 18,300 somewhere, and then one more bounce can be possible. So next week, entire week, it could be going up in consolidated manner, right? So be very careful in next week. Do not carry the positions, naked positions. And on upside, we see a move between 18,460 to 580 levels. That's what you can conclude from this. The previous wave counts are not very clear. I'm still working on it. I'm still trying to adjust it. It can be anything. Something like this can also be there. It could be the fourth wave that finished here, which was a long consolidation. Then this wave 2 and wave 4 relation doesn't match. So the work is still in progress. I'll look more on this. I'm like this chart assumes that this could be ending diagonal in fifth, because these moves are three waves moves. Okay, so this is a three wave clear move. I'm not considering this as an impulse anyway. So I'm considering this as three wave move A, B, and C, right? So anyway, this as WXY, and then again A, B, and C. So if it's ending diagonal, something like this can happen. Or let's say instead of this fifth completed here, and this was A wave, okay, and we are still in B wave, then in that case, this will be three wave A wave, smaller A wave. This will be B wave, and we could be in a fifth wave. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It can directly break above the 18,888 in a fifth wave. Okay, so instead of this chart, it can become something like this as well. Okay, so ABC I have to plot here of larger degree, right? So A, B, and C. So this could be five wave impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will break 18,888 somewhere here. It can make top, and then it could give the dip. Okay, so this entire structure again, it will be A, B, and C. Okay, so something like that also is possible. Right now, I'm not considering these scenarios because it's too early to call these scenarios, and I want to wait more for these things to happen, right? So these things are not yet clear. So depending on this move, whether it directly breaks 18,888 or gives a pullback and then goes up, depending on that, our previous wave count has to be adjusted. So let's see how the move happens. Hope you like the analysis. I'll add the summary here, and just look out for that 18,460 to 18,588 levels. That's all. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead. Bye-bye.